What's up, my YouTube family? I'm here with some new knowledge. Warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and this is the Julia Inspired Lifestyle channel. Yay! So, this is weekend, and today is 1st of December, and I'm super excited. Warm welcome to a brand new month. We keep making money, and congratulations to everybody in my community. We did it last month. We did it, guys. It's super amazing. All right, so today I'm going to share some knowledge of what happened during the week, because I told you I was going to come back and share what happened in the week. And for those of you who watch this video, who take actions of what I put out here, I'm sure you are smiling this particular weekend, or rather as we're entering the brand new month. Okay, so today I want to also talk about how we made money and how you can make some more money, in case this is the first time you are getting onto this particular channel. So if this is your first time in this channel, I show you how to make money, how to save money, and how to multiply your money in the stock market. And we've been doing this thing for a very long time. Conservatively, you don't need to blow overnight, but slow and steady you can build a massive amount of wealth. So I'm going to take it all the way into the stocks that I showed us in this week few days ago, and it did amazing wonders. So let's get onto it, and please click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment. I do hope to hear from you. I want to know if you're enjoying the content, and if there's anything you really want me to talk about, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to go through it and I will do the video next. Without further ado, let's get into the videos. Alright, so we're here in Tesla. I told us on Monday that Tesla has been hovering around 233 to 231. And I told us that it was going to run up to 240 plus. I mentioned that. If you missed that video, please watch my very last video before this one. I said exactly that it was within 231 to 233. And in the community, I told them that this stock has touched 233 and is going to run to 240. What did it do? Let me show you guys. This stock ran from 233 and hit $252. That is $18 for each share you own. So imagine if you had 5 shares, that is 5 multiplied by $18. Free money. Free money. Hey, I love observing and watching what happens in the stock market. This is amazing. So commit to yourself. Tell yourself that some of the things you're learning from this particular page, you should start putting them into practice, even if it means doing demo practice. Maybe one of these I'm going to do a video and show us how you can just do the demo. When I give some of this call out, you do it in the demo. Demo means a fake money that a brokerage app gives to you, so you can do your practice there. I'm going to do that one of these days. Okay, always remind me of that. So follow the teachings. What we do, we set a buy zone, so we don't chase after the stocks. We are not doing the get rich quick. No. We set it at our level. We know our buy zone. It comes into our buy zone, we buy, and it goes to the sell zone that we have set, and we sell it at the sell zone. For this Tesla in particular, we planned to sell this stock at 240. 246 actually was what I gave them, but when I saw this stock running to 248, I told the people in my community this stock is going to touch 250, and it did give us 252, and I'm super excited. So well done to all the people who took this stock. Let me show you another stock, because we're not being greedy. See profit, you take profit. Don't overstay your welcome. Never ever do that. That is the rule of our game. Now I'm going to show you the second one, which is Palantir. Always observe some of the things I call out. Whenever you see them, you will see them making you moves. Here is Palantir. You can see Palantir is actually around 1819, and I told us that as at the time I did the video, it had touched 20, and I said this stock is going to come down to about 19, and it's going to ride all the way up and look at it. It actually touched 20.30. So imagine getting this stock at 19. That means for each stock you own, you have made $1.30. So if you multiply it by 10 shares, multiply it by 50 shares, depending on how many shares you bought, you will see that you've made yourself over $30 or over $150 in just space of 3 days, Monday to Thursday. Amazing, right? So this is Palantir. I told us now it's at 20. It's trying to make a touch to 21. And we're also watching it, but it's already off our buy zone for now. We are no longer looking to buy it. We're waiting for it to come back to our buy zone again. And if you're in the community, I am sharing all the information about the buy zone. Or rather, maybe I'm going to do another video to prepare us for next week so that it will help you to know what to look out for next week. All right, so keep it locked in. That's why I said always subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel because you'll be getting the messages on time. You'll get information on time. Let's show you the very last one I'm going to talk about today, because I intend to make this video super easy, straight to the point. The very last one, SQQQ. For some weeks I've been mentioning this SQQQ. This particular stock can make you very good money if you have patience, but in the short run, we are trying to watch it before it breaks even. This particular stock, we got it at 15.50. See, it actually touched 15.40. Look at this arrow here. You see 15.40. We got it exactly at 15.50, and yesterday it touched 16.39. 16.39. This is wonderful. Look at it here. 16.39 was the highest point it touched yesterday, and the lowest it got to was 15.81. But remember, we got it at 15.50. 90-cent move in just 24 hours. Just imagine this kind of move it made, starting from here and shot up to this place from 29th to 30th of just 24-hour round clock, and it made this massive move. So a lot of money has been made right now. For people who have more money, they made good amount of money with just this little move. And remember, I told us that this particular stock has the possibility of running to $22. So for someone who has enough money and you don't intend to use the money between now and January, you can actually let this stock fly. It's going to get to $22 probably in January or even this December. But I'm just telling you how you can make a lot. And if you make that move, that means you're making $6 per one move for each share you have. If you are confused about me mentioning about the number of shares, you can check my previous video where I talked about what a stock is all about and what a share of a company is all about. So go back to my previous videos and you're going to find it if you're confused. Or you can go to Google. You can Google what it means and you'll get the exact expansion. So if you want to join the community and learn more, you're free to join us. We'll be happy to have you, because I share information about the stock movement and the prices and the levels, buy zone and everything in the group, and you get to leverage on it. So even if you're working 9 to 5, you are a business person, you can take out a little time, maybe a certain time in the day, and just look into it and just apply the strategies, and you can go about your normal day. When it gets to your buy zone, you can even set it. You can actually set it and tell, I want you to sell this stock for me at this price. When it gets to the price, it is executed, whether you are online or offline, whether you're looking into the app or not. It executes and keeps your money and your profit for you. So this is where I'm going to end today's video, and I do hope you learned a lot of things. And if you are among the people that made this move, congratulations. If you didn't, look out for the next one. And remember, smash the like button for me. Please, it helps this video to go to other people. People need to learn how they can make money using the stock market just using their phone. And I will see you in the next video.